I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Quinoa Chilla. Start by blending cooked quinoa with water to form a smooth batter, then add spices, salt, and chopped herbs. Heat a non-stick pan with a little oil, pour a ladle of batter, and cook until golden on both sides. Keep chillas warm in a low oven while you cook the rest. Enjoy them hot with chutney or yogurt for a simple, healthy meal. Combine cooked quinoa or quinoa flour with water until you reach a thin pancake batter consistency. Then whisk in 1 egg or a flax slurry for binding if desired. Season with salt, 1 tsp cumin, 1 tsp turmeric, and chopped cilantro or green chili to taste. Let the batter rest briefly to hydrate, then adjust thickness with a splash of water. This step makes chillas tender and easy to spread in the pan. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you cook, with a leak-proof lid and easy sip design that fits most cup holders. I use mine between batches of chillas to stay refreshed. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Preheat a non-stick or cast iron pan over medium heat so the chilla forms a nice crust when poured. Lightly grease the pan and pour a ladle of batter, spreading gently to about 6 inches diameter. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden and cooked through, pressing lightly to promote even contact. Transfer to a plate and repeat, stacking with paper towel to absorb excess oil before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.